My favorite thing about McMaster is definitely the community. I feel so part of it. I feel like everyone around me is there for me, no matter what. I can go up to someone random, and if I ask them for help, they wouldn't reject me. Or they'd try and lead me to someone else who could help me better. But being part of this community is definitely something amazing. My favorite thing about Canada is the way people are. People are very, very nice, and it's such an amazing place to be in. Like when I went to the bank to cash in some stuff, the people were really nice. They were very welcoming, because I get intimidated by going to banks or police stations or whatever. I get intimidated by those things, and it's really nice when the people are very nice to you and very welcoming. My piece of advice for other international students would be to take that step. It might be scary to do it. It could be very frightening. There's a lot of questions on your mind probably. There's a lot of things that will come up. There's a lot of reasons you would try and bring up to not come to Canada, but it's definitely worth it. I feel like you will definitely get worth of what you want and what you expect. It's definitely an amazing place to go to. It's very frightening to take that first step, but once you take that step, you'll never regret it.